are under attack.
The Family Man. This Amazon Prime original series has quickly become a national sensation by leaving us absolutely spellbounded with its cinematic monstrosity. Director duo Raj and DK have enthralled us with their exemplary efforts by presenting a powerful narrative that barely fails to impress the audience, and there are numerous reasons for this. But the one aspect that has massively amplified the overall appeal of the story is the exquisitely crafted cinematography, especially the single takes. The single takes used in some episodes of The Family Man have successfully established the significance of certain portions of the narrative. But how and why did the creators of the show utilized this cinematography style? And how exactly does it help to bind the audience throughout the story? Let's take a deep dive. A single take shot has started becoming the signature move for a lot of filmmakers. But the true charm of a single take lies in the amount of planning that one must go through before employing it for a scene. A single take shot is all about capturing the focus of your audience. It's like you are forcing someone to pay absolute attention to each and every frame without providing the slightest scope of even blinking your eyes. In the context of The Family Man, the makers have taken advantage of this technique, especially for the action sequences, where the central characters are engaged in combating an external conflict. The premise of these particular action sequences is based on a sense of confinement and restriction experienced by these characters. And in order to establish this dreadful feeling of captivity, both for the characters and the audience, we are introduced with two very important elements: time and space. Time and space are the two essential triggers that amplify the state of tension directly associated with the external conflict. Hence, the best cinematic technique to visually corroborate and communicate this scenario is the usage of the handheld camera and capturing everything in a single take. And of course, a single take will directly transport the audience into the exact moment of conflict along with the characters. You will become a part of their struggle. You are going to accompany them during both their survival and death by witnessing everything very closely. Now let's take a look at the most thrilling sequence of season 2, the police station shootout in episode 6, and examine the brilliant usage of the single take with the assistance of time and space. The scene begins at the 13-minute 7-second mark with the first frame serving as the establishing shot of the police station. You can see that there are a couple of street food vendors standing near the station. The next frame shows us the exhausted state of our lead characters: Shrikant, Umayal, Muthu, and JK. Notice how the camera is shaking very slightly to depict the feeling of tiredness amongst these characters after successfully chasing and capturing Raji. We need to remember this camera movement because in the upcoming frames, things start getting a little wild. वो कहते हैं ना, तूफान से पहले का सन्नाटा, ऐसा ही कुछ. The reason why I am saying this is because when the camera captures Umayal and Shrikant individually, this shaking becomes slightly aggressive. We notice this same aggressive movement when Shekhar enters the frame to inform Umayal that he has called in for a backup team that will arrive in the next 3 hours. He also advises Shrikant's team to leave the station with Raji as soon as possible because the rebel groups and even the villagers might attack on them. This aggressive, shaky handheld camera movement, used both for Umayal and Shrikant, helps in portraying, quite literally, their unstable mind about what to do next and how to protect the team. Shrikant tells JK and Muthu to interrogate Jabaraj's wife, and then he says,
Let's talk to Raji.
Now, with the help of this scene, the makers of the show have firmly established the gravity of the situation by introducing the constraints of time and space. The space is this police station, and the time limit is 3 hours. And like I said earlier, these two elemental triggers will prove to have enormous importance when it comes to amplifying this constant tension that the characters are experiencing. Let's move ahead. Shrikant and Umayal enter into a separate room to interrogate Raji. The first frame of the scene shows Raji with a high angle medium wide shot because she is a powerless prisoner in the eyes of Umayal and Shrikant. But notice how the handheld camera tries its best to keep the frame stable. This action depicts the sheer unwillingness of Raji to cooperate with the officers. And the camera has now taken charge of depicting the unshakable and resilient nature of Raji. Now, in the next frame, Umayal and Shrikant enter in this room. And we immediately notice a drastic change in the stability of the frame. It feels as if Shrikant is literally putting his foot down to challenge the adamant mindset of Raji and start getting some answers from her. But Raji continues to display her ignorance and is determined to not reveal any kind of information. Shrikant makes his first move. As a result, the frame starts shaking again. Raji silently refuses to answer. The camera accompanies her denial, and eventually the frame becomes stable. Shrikant continues to persuade Raji, but fails miserably. Umayal makes an effort as well, but it goes in vain. Raji has now become unstoppable and unshakable. The stubbornness of Shrikant and Umayal keeps fueling their attempts to extract information from Raji.
कैसा लीडर है
तुम्हारा थाला ही वहाँ
They reach at a saturation point, but Raji continues to remain a tough nut to crack. Then Shrikant finally decides to have a level headed conversation by putting his feet a little deeper into Raji's indomitable brain. We now witness a series of over the shoulder shots in accordance with the 180-degree rule. The handheld camera starts gaining a little more stability. And then we have this two shot. The framing adds a significant meaning to this confrontation. Shrikant has the ability to make anyone speak the truth about themselves by risking his own self belief and surrounding himself with the same dark reality that the other person believes in. He knows that there is a strong reason behind a grand motive. He knows that now the only way to break Raji is by stepping in her shoes. Get away from the righteousness of light and accept the evil facade of darkness. Hence, we have the sunlight coming in from this window that is helping to achieve these dark shadows around the characters. Shrikant starts convincing Raji that no matter how many crimes she has committed till now, there is still some humanity left inside her. This is Shrikant's finishing move with the hope to checkmate Raji. The camera once again starts shaking, and finally, he becomes successful in crevicing Raji's inner wall of resilience. The camera continues to shake and frames Raji's character with a slightly mid close up. Shrikant starts feeling satisfied with his efforts, but now the camera becomes stable and we have a close up of Raji.
मेरी कहानी सच है
And boom, check, mate. Raji has cleverly reciprocated that stubbornness towards Shrikant. The shot becomes much more stable.
मैं कुछ नहीं बताऊंगी
Raji has clearly defeated Shrikant. We now see him smoking a cigarette, and you know what this means. After this, he orders JK and Muthu to go and ask the villagers if they have any information about Jebaraj and Selvarasan. The handheld camera continues to capture the restless minds of these officers. As an audience, we have become fully immersed in this situation. The handheld camera is acting like a bridge that connects us with the persistence and determination of these officers. While continuing their search in the village, JK and Muthu receive a cautionary advice. Their lives are in danger. The forces of external conflict, previously disguised as the common folk, are coming together to revolt in unison. On the other hand, Shrikant and his team continues their struggle to survive under the ascending threat imposed by time and space.
So, we can't stay here for long.
As soon as the backup come, we all leave from here. Where are they?
2 hours, sir. Some delay.
To us.
JK and Muthu have already started facing the unexpected consequences of their actions. The revolt has begun to rise. We are transported back in the police station where Raji waits for her signal to escape. The power dynamics have flipped to such an extent that Shrikant and his team are now the prisoners of Raji in this police station. Shrikant quickly learns about this incoming danger. The camera moves closer to capture his sudden realization. The stage is set for him and his team to finally face the forces of external conflict. अब तूफान आने वाला है और इस तूफान से बचने के लिए श्रीकांत अपनी तैयारी शुरू करता है.
Philip, Maya,
सर जेके और मधु को फोन करके वापस बुलाओ.
get all the constable inside. Lock down the entire police station.
So, what's happening?
I think we are under attack.
The police station will now serve as a bunker for the entire team to take refuge and be ready for the attack. And now we are going to witness something incredible. Like I mentioned before, the elements of time and space will trigger the appropriate emotional impact. We have become fully aware about these restrictions. Raji has already defeated Shrikant in his own game. The makers of the show have invested almost 15 minutes to set up this massive confrontation. The stakes are high, the dramatic tension is at its peak. Even a slightest error can ruin this entire operation. But just at this very moment, the time bomb explodes.
Hold the fire!
நான் சொன்ன வரைக்கும் ஷூட் பண்ண வேண்டாம். கேக்கர், கீழே போய் பாருங்க.
The handheld camera takes charge of navigating the audience through this entire scenario with a single take. A masterfully crafted choreography of action-packed adrenaline rush that takes full advantage of the claustrophobic nature of this entire space. The single take perfectly captures the exact intensity of this moment. The proper preparation and planning of almost 15 minutes helps tremendously to skyrocket the gravity of this particular situation. This single take will only last for 5 minutes, but it will surely remain one of the most memorable sequences of this entire season. Also, we cannot ignore those smooth camera transitions from one spot to another. The camera tries to cover each and every corner of the police station to show how Shrikant and his teammates are completely surrounded from all sides. My favorite part of the single take shot is when the camera steps out of the police station and later climbs on the first floor where Shrikant is firing to protect himself. Then it starts following Umayal when she gets attacked by Raji. Shrikant comes to her rescue and points his gun on Raji in order to threaten Sajid. Notice how the camera once again arrives at that same spot. And goes down on the ground to capture an unexpected demise. Perfection of the craft at its best. A clever cinematic amalgamation of 6 different shots that fully succeeds in keeping us on the edge of our couch. Thank you, Raj and DK, for the family man. We can't even begin to imagine what you have for us in store for season 3.